Right, morning all. Today is, I'll just check the date, it's Tuesday, I think it's 27th, 28th, Tuesday 28th of June, and it's nearly 9:20. Now, I wasn't going to come up here until the weekend, but yesterday I was sorting out my bag to get everything ready for a different location, and would you believe it, I could not find my digging trowel. So I had a feeling that I've either lost it on the ground out here, or I've dropped it in the shelter, my cabin. So I kind of like decided to come up here to find it, and I found it. It was actually in my shelter. So because I thought I wasn't going to find it, I ordered a bloody new one, didn't I? But it doesn't matter about ordering a new one, because the new one will go in to a separate bag, and I'll take that out with me with the other detector sometime. Right, so still not sure how to do all this ground balancing. I think I've got that, put it down to 53 or 50. Right, let's have a look at the manual. I have bought the manual today. I have been watching videos, but my brain doesn't function well enough to remember stuff like this. Searching techniques. Target display. Alright, ground balance, technical info. Alright, turn to manually adjust ground. Operate all metal mode. Right, hang on, so I still don't know how you do this damn thing. I know I'm doing it wrong. No, well, I'm just going to do it the way I did it yesterday. Sorry, I can't be bothered. I'm going to dig most of the signals, you know, stronger signals that I find, because I was watching a couple of videos yesterday, and they did say, like, you know, always dig even your lower signals, because your lower signals can give you some decent stuff. So I'm going to go over, which I did yesterday. Another hot day today as well. I think I might have to change the camera angle around. I'm using the strap today, chest strap. I don't know where that went. Yeah, all I'm going to do is go and get the head strap. I'm not too happy with the chest strap at the moment. So let's turn off the detector for now. And I'll turn you guys off and I'll catch you in a little bit. Alright, got the head strap on now. I think this camera's got wide angle view, which I might have set it on. I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm just going to not worry about the ground balance because I'm still I'm not getting pinpoint on it. Right, back there. Be nice to get a coin straight away. Alright. Move that away from it. Design, I think. Yeah, it's definitely line. Alright, well, I don't know what. Oh, that's a bit of shrapnel, I think. By the looks of things. Right, put that over there, I'll collect that later. Need to get my glove on. Let's get this glove on. No, I'll catch you on the next one. Right, got a bit of a stronger signal here. In the 60s. It says shallow actually, so it must be tinfoil probably. Thought that was it then. Right, let's pinpoint it. Oh, that gun I found, that toy gun. Someone I know on Facebook mentioned it's around about the 60s, I think it was, early 60s. And although it's not complete, it's still worth keeping. Oh, look at that. An old lighter. Got no pattern to it. But cool little find. A little Zippo. There we go, problems with the bottle falling out all day long now. Now, I have got fresh batteries, but I didn't bring them with me. They're in the bloody bag again. So I'll have to go back later and get them, just in case. That's a 69. Another high signal, 70s. No, I have seen people go around and doing it both ways. Well, I'm not getting it that side. Says between 5 and 8 inches down. Keep losing it. What's back there? Right, put my pinpoint away from it. Still hard around here though, in the soil. It would be funny if it's a second Zippo. It's gone now. Weird. I hate when you get signals like that and they disappear on you. Oh, that's a root. There's that. A little screw. Just the screw screwing around with me. Bloody thing. Yep, screw. Christ, that's shallow. That's a shallow one. What's this? Horse bridle. Put it over there. So if he needs it, he can use it, clean it up. Oh, he's actually left the gate open. That's handy, I can go and get some water later. Yeah, I do around this little area, then I'll start on that side again. So it's there, give me 80 seconds. Very jumpy. Oh, this fucking bottle, man. I have to bring the bottle out with me so I can bloody drink them. I'll get too hot and thirsty. Right, see if I can pinpoint it first. I'm not getting it at all. Must only be something small. Give me 80s though. Dig a little bit more. If I can't find it, I'm not going to bother. I ain't going to spend too much time on each dig. Oh, it's very stony, some of these parts as well. No, I'm going to leave that one. Once I get a better spade, which I'm going to buy next month, then I might be able to dig a few better ones. There's another 70 odd, 77, 78. So you hear it soft like that, where the spade goes right down. Ain't there though. Well, I know it said about 10, I think, 8 or 10. I'm going to quickly. Would like to find more coins today. Small, whatever it is. Probably another nail or something. Is it that? Yeah, a bit of lead. A little bit of lead. That go in my lead jar when I get home. Right, I won't record all of the digging. I will record some of the finds though. So I'll catch you in. Oh, actually, I need to change the battery on this new bloody flat already. Anyway, I'll catch you in a little while. Right, it's not that brilliant of a dig, but found a spindle to something. Could be a part of a bike, maybe. Yeah, that's it. Catch you on the next one. Right, just on a shallow one. Just a small bit of a buckle. That was giving me 70s. I think it was about 70. Between 72 and 81. Well, it's giving me 82 now. But let's just cover it over a minute. $78, $81, $78, $81. Right, catch you on the next one. Getting a little bit cooler, but still hot. Right, see you in a minute. Okay, another live dig, and I'm getting a 50 to 60. between 55 and 65. Still not had no coins this morning. What is the time anyway? Did hear some dogs barking. I think one might be here already, I'm not sure. $11, 10 past 11. So you're not seeing these digs properly. I am trying to get the camera kind of like sorted out, but it's hard to find out how it is on my head. I might have to start bringing out a tripod and do it with the tripod, but it means like carrying a tripod around with me all the time. Which I don't fancy doing. Well, that's ash. So I'm thinking there could have been a nail or something now. Probably a nail. No, it's foil. Fucking foil. It's just yeah, just foil. Right, so foil is in around 50 to 60 mark. Right, catch you on the next one. Right, just found another buckle. Right there. It's about that deep. Not sure. So that's 3. That's 6 inches down. So yeah, little buckle. I'll do a tally up when I finish. That's what it was, a buckle. Alright, catch them next. Alright, oh, I've been digging down here at a really big 90, 89, 90. And I've just got to it. It's a ring. Quite heavy actually, probably bronze. Well, that's for I don't know. But it's heavy. So there we go. Check, nothing else down here. No, that's it. Right, okay, on to the next one, catch you in a little bit. Right, another live dig. Jumping around between 56 and 81, 89. Probably going to be iron. Shutter, I think, because I'm hitting 10. It's not going over it, sir. Alright, see what we got here. I think with that detector it hits 10. That's like more of a service fine probably. I don't know. Could be 10 inches deep. Got no idea. Still haven't read the book yet. I don't like reading manuals and books. I think it's this. Yep, half of a nut. Let's give him 94. Another bloody ant's nest I've disturbed. Right. On to the next one. Right, catching a little bit. Right. I've got a hit there. And I've got one there. In the 50s. Right, it's in the plug. Alright, what one is it in? Huh. Can't find you now. Oh, there it is. Bit of foil. Bloody foil. Oh yeah, I really hate it when you get foil. Right, where's the other one? In the 60s. Is it more foil? Soon find out. Again, sorry if you can't see the video. I don't know how to set the video on my head. I'm hoping it's okay actually. This camera is a bit more heavier because it's a newer camera, which I got yesterday in the post. Right, I've got a hit there, and I've got one there. In the 50s. Right, it's in the plug. Alright, what one is it in? Huh. Can't find it now. Oh, there it is. Bit of foil. Bloody foil. Oh yeah, I really hate it when you get foil. Right, where's the other one? In the 60s. Is it more foil? Soon find out. Again, sorry if you can't see the video. I don't know how to set the video on my head. I'm hoping it's okay actually. This camera is a bit more heavier because it's a newer camera, which I got yesterday in the post. Right, I've got another live one for you. Don't know what it is. It's where the spade is. Jumping around between 69, 70. Right, let's see what's in there. Right, it's in a hole still. What I'm going to do, because I'm running out of battery power now, I'm going to do the digs, and if I find anything of interest I'll show you in the hole. But I won't be doing too many live digs now because my battery's running low. Oh. Move that plug out of the way a minute. There's a root there, so I hope it ain't under that bloody root. Yeah, so this might be the last live dig like I'm doing now. But when I get some digs, get some hits on the detector, I'll dig the hole and show you what's in the hole. And they won't be planted either. Like there won't be no fake stuff on my channel. I think it's that. Oh, a bit of tin. We're not going to get some decent stuff, man. It's all been junk, apart from that Zippo. Possible medieval horse ring. Right, catch you on the next one. Right, well, that's a bit unusual. Detected there in that hole. Had a 50-60 signal. First thing iron, check the hole again, and a part of a spoon handle, I believe. So yeah, the iron will go in the bush and the spoon handle will go in the bag. Right, I'll catch you on the next one. I thought I'd come into the tree area to see if there's anything in there. I found myself a shoe, horseshoe, little shoe. Maybe that might bring me a bit more luck today. I found a horseshoe over at Mitcham Common the other day. Yep, actually it's a pony shoe. So I'm going to take that home. Right, so I'm scanning around this tree area. Not really finding much, to be honest with you. Oh, I've got something there. I think it's paid. It's 20, 21. Right there. I don't know what happened there. That was a bit weird on me. Right, let's try to get this on my head. Bear with me. Change it up. Right. All right. Alright, so I think it was round about here. Alright, just hope it ain't going to be bloody wire, because we're right near a wire fence. And it was redone not long ago. I'll be a bit tough around here because the roots and that. Alright, let's get the pinpoint of that so we can pinpoint it. Right there, I think. It's a stone. the route. Another bit of iron. Yeah. Don't know what that is. I think that was it. Yep. One out of 25, but massive route there. I'm not saying we're going to get anything out of it, but have a quick butcher's. There's what that route is. I ain't going to get past that route. Out. You know what it is, one of those things that dropped it. It's just like a little one of these kind of like round U-shaped nail things. That's all it was. Well, I'm going to come out of here. And I'm going to make myself a cup of hot drink, so I'm gasping. So the rest of this section we'll do after a little break. So I'll catch you in a little bit, guys. Okay, just done a dig there. I thought that white was tin, but looking closely, I've got a key. I think it's for like one of the gas radiators, possibly. BR, British Rail, SO45, so it might be even a lock, a key to a toilet or something, I don't know. I'll have to see if I can find anything on that on YouTube, not YouTube, Google tonight. So I'm back out, just had my coffee, drinking chocolate. Done all that. Just got to do this area now, and that'll be it for today. Well, I've got a new digging shovel coming today. Not a shovel, trowel. So anyway, I'll catch you on the next one. Right, well this one was giving me around about 20s, 19, 20, 22, around that area. And it's a little pocket knife. Rusty, crusty, can't use it, but another little find. Right, not far to go now, just up here and around this area, then I'm packing up. Right, catch you on the next one. Oh guys, I am completely knackered. I've not done all the field, I've done like 80% of it. I can't do no more. I'm just way too knackered. The knee's killing me. I'm tired out. I'm thirsty. And I'm going to pack up, make the tracks home, and yeah, just chill out for the rest of the day. I'm not sure if I'm going out tomorrow. Depends how I feel in the morning. If I do go anywhere, probably over Mitcham Common to dig up the extra few little 1-cent coins which are over there. But for me, for now, this is Steve signing off on Steve's Protection Adventures. Please like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and yeah, I'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now.